If you find it rewarding working with your hands, your project list probably grows every day. You need tools that are versatile and won't be a casualty after a single job. Kutzall is an absolute game changer in the way you utilize your existing power tools. Made of tungsten carbide for incredible wear life, they provide a truly unique combination of superior material removal and surface quality. Their unique versatility makes them a utility knife for your power tool. Their outstanding performance on a wide variety of materials and applications will keep them locked in your favorite grinder. Wood, plastic, drywall, rubber, fiberglass, and soft stone, they will be your go-to workhorse for any task. With smooth, effortless operation, they can easily go with or against the grain. This even allows the hand rasps to be multi-directional. Use them to shape, contour, hollow, notch, trim, or make adjustments with ease. Fit doors, windows, and cabinets. Install electrical boxes or notch for plumbing. Cope trim and moldings. Make quick adjustments in decking, drywall, and many other home restoration projects. The open space nature of the teeth make them exceptionally resistant to loading, but if needed, they can easily be cleaned using a torch or a quick few passes with a fine wire brush. Heat will not harm the teeth. Proudly crafted in the USA, Kutzall will inspire confidence and expand your capabilities, project after project.